Hey, it's Berta J. I have a tip that I want to share with you today. My husband bought me another pan. I do so much cooking and testing of things. So he bought me a pan. This is a great size pan, and you probably have had this problem too. Something I learned, you see that mark right here and that right there? They had labels on them, on this pan. There were labels here and there. And I think there's also one on the lid as well. It's kind of crusty. And you've probably gotten these on things that you've purchased as well. But I'm going to show you with something that you usually buy, how you can get rid of those label sticky residue and clean it right up. We're going to start with this one. And all you have to do, this is a halo. And children like halos, I like halos, and you probably like halos as well. You're going to take it and you're going to peel it. And then you're going to take the peel. Now you can do this with any citrus. I have orange here, I have a lime, and I have a lemon. You could use a grapefruit. They have a nice thick skin. And each one of the citrus fruits have a oil in it. And you squeeze it and the oil comes out. And what you do is you take that and you rub it on this label. It makes like a little paste. You can see that oil coming out. Can you see it? Anyway, when it comes out, it gets real shiny. You just rub it on there and you just keep working it. And what will happen, you see those pieces coming off? Use your fingernail a little bit and it just peels right up. Peels right off. You won't ever have to worry about buying anything except making sure you have some oranges or some citrus fruits around. Clean that off. Okay, so now that's the first. Wipe it off. And do it again. And this is not a trick or anything. Well, it is a trick. It's my trick. And the way I found out about it is I was reading the label on some cleaners at the health food store, and I discovered Citrusolve. What's in Citrusolve is the oil that comes out of citrus fruits. And so I thought one day I bought some of this. You don't need very much of this. You could get this instead of doing this. But one day I didn't have the Citrusolve. I had used it all up, but I did have some lemons and some limes, and I had an orange. So I just started with the lemon and started cleaning the label off of what I had, and it works great. Okay, and if you have something, I don't know, like those degreaser detergents like Ajax or something like that, and then wipe it really good. So that old label that was on there at one time is all gone. And just keep working with it. If it say, oh, well, I got a little bit left there, Berta. Okay, so then take a little bit more of the oil from this, rub it on there, wipe it off until you get your pan or whatever you've purchased, because a lot of the kitchen utensils will have that sticky label from something. Now, that's how I'm going to do. I'm not going to do it here with you because that's the tip. This is the tip that we had. So that's it. It's done. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom, off camera, not with you, but I can do the same thing here, or I could use the Citrusolve. You don't need very much Citrusolve. This, if you do labels about this size and this size, this container could last you for a year because you don't need very much. So I hope you use this because it's very simple and it's very easy, and all you need to do is use the oil, the citrus oil from the peels of citrus fruits. And then when you're done with this, you know what you can do with it? If you have a garbage disposal, you're going to take these pieces, tear them up. I find that if you leave this piece in, you may not do it as well. So take the piece that has the little attachment to the tree, take that and throw it away. But the rest of this, put it in your garbage disposal. Garbage disposals can smell pretty bad sometimes, but if you put the citrus peel from the citrus fruit into your garbage disposal, it'll be deodorized and it will smell wonderful. Another tip, I just thought of that one. Okay, so hope you use it. Let me know what you think. And of course, subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.